binibigyan na ako ng mga tips ni Coach Sherwin. ganun na siya nasa-stress sa akin. Lee, I think we've been through different losses din naman throughout conferences. But that was actually something masasabi namin na at the end of the day, wake-up call talaga. But we were humbled by that loss at the end of the day. So, we worked harder the next day and make sure na gagawin namin yung trabaho namin and roles namin. So, even if we with that loss, siguro we would say na we have so many things to improve on pa as a team. So, it was a good loss for us, if that makes sense.
Yeah, same with Adelaide. I think I would, like, personally, yung mga losses namin, I always take them as learning. Kasi, like, for me personally, medyo iba yung mindset ko since I came from an injury. So, of course, I'm sad na natalo kami, but also at the same time, minomonitor ko rin kasi yung laro ko, yung progress mo. So, every loss naman namin, every game, it's a learning for me, and yun nga, natutuwa ako na may mga progress ako na nakikita sa sarili ko. But with the team, I think we all know kung ano naman yung mga pagkukulang namin. Yun nga, sabi ni Ate Lai, at sila Coach Sherwin naman, I think maganda rin na na-experience namin yung ganong klaseng game before the knockout game. So, yun, lagi naman din ganun yung mga coaches namin na we learn from the loss, but also don't forget that we still have more games and more important games. So, yun yung focus namin.
For Adelaide muna, for tonight, 16 points, but you also had 7 digs and 7 receptions. So, parang throughout this conference so far na even if hindi man laging sa scoring yung contribution mo, parang how hard did you work on defense then over the time that you were recovering?
Yeah.
Paano makabalik mo ito?
Well, I would say siguro how hard it was. Binibigyan na ako ng mga tips ni Coach Sherwin. ganun na siya nasa-stress sa akin.
Lagi siya target.
Lagi target sa training lahat. So, honestly, I think yun yung isa sa mga important things na kung nag-improve man ako sa digs and sa services ko, it was because of Coach Sherwin. The minor details, he actually tells me it actually works and it helped me improve my game. So, thank you, Coach Sherwin. And, nagpaano na dito. So, yun lang. So, I'm just really happy na kahit pa paano, nadadala ko rin siya sa game. So, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And alam mo, inspiration ko yung mga teammates ko kasi talagang lagi nila akong target even in practices. Every single day. So, maraming salamat sa mga effort ng mga teammates ko and being patient. Thank you.
Sa 10 siya, misa.
Totoo naman.
Yung isa, Mr.